Artificial intelligence is like a brain outside of a human head. It can learn and solve problems. AI uses computers to do things that normally require human intelligence. Think of AI as a student. We give it information, we teach it rules. Then, it learns to make decisions on its own. AI is changing how we live, work, and play. There are different types of AI. Narrow AI is good at one thing, for example, a chess-playing AI. General AI would be like us. It could do many different things well. Superintelligence is the most advanced. It would be much smarter than any human. Right now, we mostly have narrow AI, but scientists are working towards more advanced types. To create AI, we need data. Lots and lots of data. Data is like food for AI. It's how AI learns. We also need algorithms. Algorithms are like recipes. They tell the AI how to process the data. With data and algorithms, we can train AI models. These models are the brains of the operation. Data can be anything. Pictures, words, numbers, it all counts. The more data we give the AI, the smarter it gets. Think of teaching a child about cats. We show them pictures of cats. We describe what cats sound like. We let them pet a cat. AI learns in a similar way. It needs lots of examples to understand. Section 5. Choosing the right tools. Algorithms are the instructions for our AI. Just like we have different recipes for different dishes. Some algorithms are good at finding patterns, others are good at making predictions. We pick the best algorithm for the job. Choosing the right algorithm is crucial. It's like giving our AI the right tools to succeed. Section 6. Teaching the machine. Now we train our AI model. We feed it data and let it learn from the algorithms. Think of it like practicing a sport. The more we practice, the better we get. AI needs practice too. It learns from the data and gets better at its task. Section 7. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Once our AI model is trained, we need to test it. Did it learn what it was supposed to? We give it new data it hasn't seen before. We see how well it performs. Testing helps us make sure our AI is accurate and reliable. Section 8. AI in our world. AI is already all around us. It's in our phones, cars, and homes. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It recommends products to us when we shop online. AI is changing healthcare, transportation, and entertainment, and this is just the beginning. Section 9. The future of AI. The future of AI is full of possibilities. Imagine AI that can cure diseases or solve climate change. But we also need to be careful. We need to make sure AI is used for good. AI is a powerful tool. It's up to us to use it wisely.